YouTube and welcome to Drawing with Inky. For the first time on this channel, I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a sea creature.
Ahoy, mateys!
This is my helpful assistant, Inky.
So which sea creature will we be drawing?
Can you guess? I'll give you a hint. It has 8 legs.
A sea spider?
No, what the heck is a sea spider? We're going to draw an octopus.
Tenta, cool!
Well, you want to draw it?
Let's dive right in.
Then let's go. The first step in drawing your octopus is drawing 4 squiggly lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are going to be your octopus's legs. You're going to fill them in later. The next thing that you're going to draw is a big circle like this, and then you're going to keep drawing the lines. You're going to do this here, and this here. Then you draw another line here for the 8th leg.
Or just keep 7 if you want it to be a septopus.
Then you're going to fill in the legs by doing a line like this, a line like that, a line like this, and a line like that. Then you're going to keep doing that by doing this. Make that a point there. This, and this. Now you don't have to make it exactly the same as mine. You can make your octopus's tentacles pointing in whatever direction you want. You can copy me if you want to. Then you're going to do some lines like this. One like that, 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 this, that, and finally this. You can also add lines here. You're done with your octopus's legs, and now you can move on to the head. You draw 2 eyes like this.
Octopuses have very good eyes. They have lenses, they can focus like a camera.
2 lines here, a circle here, 2 little circles inside, another circle here that's filled in, and the same thing on the other side.
That is a very cute octopus. Or a very weird banana.
You're done with your octopus's eyes, and now you can move on to the mouth. So you do a line that curves up in the middle like that, 2 lines on the sides. You can also do eyebrows like that. Or make them thicker by doing this to make them also triangle shaped. Then you can do designs in your octopus like little circles. You can do this, this, and this. Or maybe even stripes or hearts. Then you can start filling in many circles on the octopus's legs.
You know what you call 2 octopuses that look exactly the same?
What, Inky?
Identical. Haha, octopuns.
I sped this one up because it takes a while. Speaking of speeding up, I'm going to color it in time lapse. Now you're done with your octopus. Thanks, Libby, for suggesting this. This was a fun one. If anybody else has any suggestions, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Why, Inky, you're looking especially inky today.
Yeah, I got inked.
Ah, I see. Anyway, thanks for drawing with me.
Bye.
Bye.
And keep on drawing.